The 2025 Lexus Coupe LC 500 is the perfect car for those who want the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and advanced technology. Its stunning design, luxurious interior, and impressive performance make it an unrivaled automotive masterpiece. Hello, Sytox friends! Today, we will dive into the world of luxury and performance by taking a closer look at the 2025 Lexus Coupe LC 500. This car is not just any sedan, but an automotive masterpiece that combines charming design, advanced technology, and soul-stirring performance. Truly extraordinary. For the exterior design of the Lexus Coupe LC 500. The first impression you get from the LC 500 is the sporty and elegant aura that radiates from every curve of the body. Lexus's signature spindle grille dominates the front fascia, flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide an aggressive look. The coupe's sleek and aerodynamic silhouette is enhanced by sporty alloy wheels and a smoothly flowing roofline. The rear is decorated with iconic L-shaped LED lights and a sporty diffuser that emphasizes its sporty character. Luxurious and sophisticated interior. Entering the cabin, you will be presented with top-class luxury and comfort. Premium materials such as high-quality leather and wood trim adorn the entire interior. The front seats have a sporty design that provides maximum support when cornering. Advanced technology is also present, such as a 10.3-inch infotainment screen, an intuitive navigation system, and a head-up display that helps the driver stay focused on the road. Amazing performance and will not disappoint you. Under the hood, a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine is hidden, which produces 471 horsepower and 540 Nm of torque. This performance is channeled to the rear wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission, enabling acceleration from 0-100 km/h in 4.4 seconds. Precise handling and adaptive suspension ensure an unforgettable driving experience. For its features, there is no doubt about its sophistication, comfort, and security. The 2025 Lexus Coupe LC 500 is no joke, equipped with various advanced features to increase the comfort and safety of the driver and passengers. Some of the prominent features include Advanced Safety Package Plus system with pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control features. Panoramic sunroof, which gives the cabin a more spacious and bright feel. Premium Mark Levinson audio system with 13 speakers for an immersive audio experience. Thank you for watching the Sytox car video this time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to experience the sensation of luxury and performance of the 2025 Lexus Coupe LC 500.